everyone, greetings to you. I'm very happy and proud to introduce St. Xavier School Burdwan to you all. I'm Father Maria Joseph, the principal of St. Xavier School Burdwan. This school was established in the year 1964, and from then on till today, it has developed into different wings. We have educated thousands of students, and in fact, to be precise, we have produced many medical doctors. St. Xavier's Burdwan is known for discipline, for all-round development of our students. Hailing from such a kind of background, pandemic situation did not stop us from giving quality education. Right from day one on, we were able to give quality materials to our students. Initially, we were not able to give the books even. However, with different people's help, we were able to distribute books to our students, and straight away started the cloud classroom. We developed a website in which our teachers made videos, a series of videos and notes, and we were able to upload them in that platform. And our students with their registration numbers were able to log in and have access to those materials. Of course, this was a one-way education because that was the only option that time given to us or available. And so we immediately barged into a new mode of teaching, that is the Google Suite platform. And that was a very, very nice one. And I'm very grateful to the Google company who gave us this platform. And so our teachers now are teaching online. So it is two-way now. Most of our students are attending, barring out a few who had different difficulties. But I can say this has been on average a successful one. And so after all these, we have been able to complete 2 assessment tests. And in January, we will have the 3rd one. And in March, the 4th one. With that, we should be able to complete the academic year. And that's it for this time. We are hoping to reopen the school and see how best we can cover those portions which we have left out. Thank you.
Hi, this is Antara. I'm a teacher from St. Xavier's School, Burdwan of primary section. During this COVID-19 situation, we are all in a trouble to take the classes physically in school. So we started with the online classes, which are quite new to the students as well as for the teachers. I, as a teacher, felt a lot of inconvenience while taking this online classes, because the teachers are not at all accustomed with the technological innovations, and we are quite new to the innovations which we learned during this COVID-19 situation. We became much more equipped with this new technologies during this situation.
When we are teaching and we are applying the logic of virtual reality through the teaching method, it's a good one for the students and for me also. The students are sitting in their home and I am sitting here either in my home or in the school, whatever, but we are just interacting each other just like we are attending in the classroom. So the situation is a real situation, but virtually we are attending that.
And it was quite a tough time because we cannot interact with the students physically in the beginning.
I faced a lot of challenge to make the students engage in productive way. What I did, I used to make some videos with Active Presenter software. All the time I keep asking them questions so that they can be engaged with my class. So this is the way I can interact with the students maybe many more things I need to research so that I can keep them engaged in productive way.
So we started with Google Classroom, where we directly interacted with the students, and this was quite interesting as well as appealing, because we can get back the response of the students as well. Here we are directly teaching the students and we can get back their feedbacks. This is also very important in teaching learning process.
I'm Shramdita Majri of class 11A, studying in St. Xavier School, Boardman. As Paul Wester said, the world is unpredictable. Things happen suddenly, unexpectedly. We want to feel we're in control of our own existence. In some ways we are, in some ways we are not. High on the list of what has been detrimental to a youth's life amid the pandemic is their access to education. Till date, students like us are experiencing school closures. But this has not deterred us from acquiring the quality education that we deserve. St. Xavier School Boardman has been going strong even after the onset of the pandemic. It has taken various initiatives to engage all of its students and made them strive towards achieving their goals even when the surrounding prospects appeared bleak. It all started with the cloud classes. Videos and detailed notes were given for every subject. To assess a student based on what was taught in the cloud classroom, an innovative unit test was conducted, where a student had to speak on a specific topic for about 5 minutes. This was done to check the fluency in language, the knowledge of that subject, and to boost the self-confidence. Written examinations of 100 marks were conducted in the month of September. Question papers were uploaded in the cloud classroom, and the answer sheets had to be sent as PDF to the school. Online classes through G Suite began soon thereafter and is still continuing. This is giving both the students and the teachers the opportunity to interact with each other.
So it will be 30 into 7 divided.
And even though virtually, this entire process did not fail to create an ambience of a real classroom. Ample time was provided to us to complete the projects of various subjects, and as always, the teachers were there to help us in every possible way they can. Even our annual program, Ecstasy, is going to be held virtually. They just have to send a video of us dancing, singing, or acting. Our Reverend Father Principal even took the initiative to talk to the parents of the students of various classes to get a hold of what the students were exactly doing at home and what more could be done for the betterment of them. When the whole world might have seemed to be dead in its track, St. Xavier School Boardman has quite adapted itself to this new genre of education system. It never took a break, neither the students, teachers, staff, nor the parents. Kudos to St. Xavier School Boardman and its authority.